What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you can tell from the title, this video is going to be a special one. So a little context on what's going on. Today is my cousin Raz's birthday. I don't know if you guys remember him. He's been in a lot of videos, but if you guys remember, I did a video on me teaching him how to drive manual in my brother's Mustang GT350R, which is actually his dream car. So he's always wanted that car. It's his background on his phone. But yeah, today is his birthday, and it's actually my cousin Hach's birthday as well, which hopefully you guys remember him from past videos as well. So happy birthday to the both of them. But yeah, so basically Raz's family wanted to get him a GT350 for his birthday. It's his 25th birthday, so they wanted to make it a little special by giving him that car. The car that he has now, his 5 Series, has been given a lot of issues, so they're at least trying to get him a little bit better car, which won't be breaking down on him so often. So about a week ago, we had actually located one. I found it on Facebook Marketplace and sent it to his brother Sam, and he's been talking with the people who own the car. And we actually went yesterday to check it out just to make sure everything is good. It runs normal, like no leaks, anything like that, like paperwork is good. So we're going back today to hopefully pick up the car and bring it back home, because it's like an hour-and-a-half drive away from here. So yeah, that's basically it right now. I'm on my way to Raz's brother Sam's house so we can head out and go pick up the car hopefully. And then later on today, we're gonna be surprising Raz with it. He has absolutely no idea that this is happening, so that's the best part. Don't be like fooled or anything by the title of this video. I'm not buying the car for him. His family is. I just helped like find the car, which it's a really clean car, so you guys will hopefully see in the video. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Go pick up the car, hopefully get it washed when we bring it back, and figure out a way on how to surprise Raz with it, because we still don't know how we're gonna surprise him with it. So I'll catch you guys when I get to Sam's house. Alright, we just pulled up to Sam's house. We're gonna wait for him to come outside and then hit the road. So we just came here. We're about to go to the bank to get all the cash and stuff situated, and then we're hopefully gonna be taking this thing home today. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll give you guys a better look outside in the daylight. Cold start for you guys. All right, let's head out to the bank. All right, everything is good to go.
It's good to go.
Let's get you home, huh?
Yay.
All right, guys, the deal is done. We're about to head back to Fresno now, and then later on we're gonna be surprising Raz with the car. All right, guys, we just left. I'm driving the Mustang back home right now. We got like an hour and 30-minute drive back home. This thing is so clean. I love this white shift knob too. That's different from our GT350. But yeah, this thing is insanely clean. It only has like 3,000 miles on it. We just stopped by right now to fill up the tank on both the cars. Sam's driving the F-150 right here, the Raptor. That shit looks really nice. And then I'm driving this. This thing looks so good in this color. But yeah, we're gonna fill up and then head home. Alright guys, I'm driving the Raptor now. We're actually almost back home. Sam is driving the Mustang because he hasn't driven it this whole time. But yeah, we're going back home right now, and then the plan is I'm gonna be going to Raz's house just to chill with them, and the homies Podkev and Hudat should be coming too. A lot of the guys can't make it because it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Wednesday, so a lot of them are at work. But we're gonna be going to his house, just acting like we're chilling at his house or something like that, and then his brother Sam is gonna text him and make him come outside and act like he needs to help him with something, and then he's gonna surprise him with the car. and his whole family is gonna be there too, so this should be fun. So I'll get back to you guys when we're officially ready to surprise Raz with the car.
Bye bye.
You like it?
I like it.
You didn't know. No, you didn't.
You want to bet?
How much?
I can prove it.
How do you prove it?
I'll prove it.
Prove it. Prove it. Ese rentara's a Raz. That's your real car.
Yeah, that's your real car.
They're getting this.
ass 5 Series. You find
Special thing.
Special thanks. Arts construction.
Make this happen.
According to Raz, he thought he knew, but he didn't know shit. Right, Raz? You didn't know anything. Go. Someone go with him.
Open the doors, bot. Shit. My boy looking good. Hold on. This is yours now. Sir. He doesn't believe it. He said yes, sir.
I point over there, but don't point at me.
I got pointed everywhere, brother. Hold on. Oh, you're vlogging. Blowing the air? Yeah, the color's sick. This is the one you wanted, Chet? You remember when I asked you? Yeah.
Bro, it looks better in person than it does in thing.
Pictures, Chad. The blue.
The white,
looks
the
nice.
blue and white, Chad.
Yeah, the stripe looks nice.
Hey, didn't I say Todd always picks up whenever I call him, even doesn't matter what time it is, like during that, when we were on FaceTiming. So that's when I was coming back from San Jose. After that, after he didn't pick up, Samo calls me, he goes, I'm out of town. Oh, he's out of town on my birthday out of nowhere. I knew, Brett. I don't know what they're talking about.
You know you gotta clean out the garage, right? Well, you think you're gonna park this outside?
You really think I'm gonna miss my mom clean out the garage?
Well, you better, because this car was literally garaged his whole life. Hey, Tredge, have you ever driven stick before, sir? Have you?
I have.
Hadach is gonna learn how to drive stick. You're gonna learn today. Razzy Wazzy, you like your new car?
I love it, thank you.
Oh, dumbass.
Oh, this is way too small.
He's gonna go straight into Podkiv's car.
Who might?
When's the last time you drove stick?
Oh, with vodkas. How long ago?
2-3 months ago.
Do I take my foot
This
off
one's
the
gonna
brake
be
first
easier
or
than
the
that.
clutch? I didn't pull it.
You're in
No,
first.
go.
You're in first. You're in first.
Let go of the clutch until like
I love
halfway
this
before
shift
you
now,
gas.
by the way.
I
It
love
looks
that
so
thing.
sick. There you go, buddy. There you go, you big goof.
Man, what you know about driving stick?
Yeah, those seats are small, huh? Headwise, it's horrible.
But
But
the
like
seat's
body,
comfortable.
yeah.
Like if you kind of lean back a little bit, this is pretty. Hey, I feel like I can sleep like this.
Shit, I wish I had a camera mount right now. Damn, this was pretty good, bro.
He knows.
Brother, I taught him. Hit that second, Hadach. Hit that second, baby. Oh yeah, you see how he puts it in there, all firm and everything.
How do we turn the
like
traction
short
control
kids.
off on this?
You ain't turning no traction control off, my guy.
There's no car in it.
Hadach,
No,
you
I'm
can
trying to
go.
get off the clutch, man.
It's better than that, then install it yourself.
What are your first thoughts on this, H-Ratch?
It's alright, a little low on power.
You're in third gear.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. There you go.
As he was about to stall in third, a little low on power.
And now I can't freaking mess up.
Now I can't mess up.
Yeah, you got this.
You started off so good.
Yeah, you started off good and then you gradually started
Let go of
sucking.
the clutch midway.
I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
My God. I don't know how someone gets worse. It's like his Call of Duty plays also. He was really good. And then now he sucks at Call of Duty
Just
too.
go slow, that's all you have to do.
Let go of the
Just
clutch.
give it
Don't
a-
hit
give
gas.
it-
Give him more gas.
No, let go
No,
of the
don't
clutch.
tell him to hit gas. He'll overdo it.
Bro, give him more gas.
You should go straight. Just turn. It's not
Bro,
that
how
hard.
hard? Oh my God.
Alright, so
Okay, let go, let go, let go, let go.
I think it's the turn, bro.
Okay.
It's not the turn, you just suck. Bro, you did so well in the beginning.
I don't know, I think
And then you just sucked.
I got too confident.
Well, Raz, that's basically it, my guy.
my guy.
You finally got your dream car. We'll get the guys' reactions later on tonight at Dutch or something. Well, you guys just saw us surprised Raz with the new GT350. He was pretty surprised. He said he saw it coming, but I know damn well he was surprised. So, and I know he's like ecstatic inside too. He's like so happy. You can just tell just by looking at him. He's trying not to show his emotions, but you can definitely tell that he's happy. That's his dream car right there, so who wouldn't be happy? I'm heading home right now, and then later on we're gonna meet up with the guys at the local coffee shop, and we're gonna see their reactions to the car. So I'll see you guys then. Jude, what do you think about the car?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Ash, what do you think?
American muscle. The bald eagle.
Boys, what's up, Kajik?
What's up?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hotch, what you think about the car? I'm getting everyone's reaction. Aaron, what do you think about the car?
It's immaculate. How's the clutch so far? Is it good? You say immaculate?
He said how's the clutch so far? I mean, after Hotch was done with the damn clutch.
It's the same. It's badass.
What do you think about the car?
I think it's great. Take it for a spin, man. Feels like I'm in a rocket ship. Shout out to you right there.
Surprise! Surprise, mother! You got a brand new car!
No.
Is that a Velcro on a shirt?
Look at that. Got your attention, right?
Yeah.
They look at it. What is that? You have to wash that separately? Hey, let's take one out and put some army ones on it.
We'll put Chad's fucking police patches on there.
I'm down, bro. Give me a couple patches. I got it. Whatever gets spent, I'll take it. Anxiety stall. Oh, no.
Batsiara exhausted. Mi vacheti.
That's good. Oh my god. How much?
That almost smacked the curb. He almost did a Mustang. And then there goes Razzie. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see some more content with like Raz's new GT350 or not. Let me know in the comments down below. As always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.